Hello dear children, today we are going to start our new chapter, A Treat for Mosquitoes. First we will go through the text and later on we will see the question answers. Now first there is a chat between four children, Jaskirat, Rajat, Nancy and Aarti. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I am alright. Rajat replies softly. So Rajat was coming back after few days. Aarti asked, "How are you?" So he replied that he is all right now. Jaskirat, you must have played a lot while you were at home. Rajat replied, who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had a bitter medicine. I had a blood test. A blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. So Rajat is telling that he had fever and he has had to take medicines. So why a blood test? Jaskrit is asking. So Rajat replied, actually when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. So he was not in the school because of this disease that is malaria, which is caused by a mosquito. So Nancy, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat, yes, but we find out by the blood test. Jasrit said, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. So there is a question, why there are different mosquitoes in the house, but Jaskrit is not having malaria? Why so? Nancy, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. So malaria is spread only by specific mosquito which is carrying the disease. Aarti, all mosquitoes look the same? Rajat, there must be some difference. So सभी all मच्छर जो मच्छर है they all look same to me, but there must be some difference. Rajat replied. Now see how the blood is taken. Now this you can see how the needle is pricked. Then it is the blood is taken on this slide. This is a glass slide where the blood is taken. You can see this is the pathologist who checks your blood whether you are having any disease or whether you are having anemia or any other disease. So Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slide under the micro. This is the microscope. This microscope make things look 1,000 times bigger. Means it enlarges the image. There are some microscopes which makes things look even more bigger than this one. So some microscopes are more bigger than this. So remember pathologist, and this is how the blood test is done. Needle is pricked, then with the help of slide it is taken, the blood is taken and it is seen under the microscope. Nancy, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Now there is curiosity with Nancy that अरे from where the blood is taken, जहाँ तुमको मच्छर ने काटा, from there they have taken the blood, और कहीं से blood लिया? Roger said, of course not. How do I know? मुझे कैसे पता होगा कि मॉस्किटो ने मुझे कहाँ काटा है? Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? So they are Nancy is having wanted to know how they came to know that you are having the malaria. So do you think they could see something in the blood? Yes. So from the blood one can find whether you are having malaria or not. So this can be seen under the microscope. Some changes in the blood can be seen when you have malaria. Now let's see what is happening. Now the find out. So these are some questions. Do you know anyone who has malaria? So many of your family member who had malaria. You can take their experience, how they feel, what were the symptoms, what problems they had. Specifically, the problem with malaria when we have malaria symptoms is fever with chills, then body pain, headache. These all are the different symptoms. So we will discuss it later on. And in which season malaria is more common? During the rainy season, water get collected here and there. So in rainy season, it is very common. Okay. Now this is the report, clinical pathology report. Once you have given the blood to the pathologist, they will check and they will give a report like this. Now Rajat is who is 11 years old and he is diagnosed fever with chills and rigor, ठंड लगकर कपकपी के साथ बुखार है इसको. So they found that malarial parasite found in the blood sample. तो उसके ब्लड में क्या मिला उनको? मलेरिया का पैरासाइट मिला, which causes malaria. So this is how they come to know that Rajat is having malaria. Now you can see here some medicine for malaria. Now earlier days people don't know what happened to what is happening, whether it is malaria or not. They used to give the powder of the bark. Now cinchona, okay, this tree bark was given to make medicine for malaria. Earlier people used to boil the bark, strain the water, and it was given to patient. Now tablets are made from this. Nowadays tablets is made. Okay. Now this is the report of Rajat. Next, anemia. What's that? I always had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Now see, Rajat had to give only 2-3 drops of blood, but Aarti is telling that she had to give a syringe full of blood. So this blood was tested whether to know whether she is having anemia no or not. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Rajat, what is that? The doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. Doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla, moog, leafy vegetable because these have iron. So what is that? Rajat asked. So Aarti said that when we have less hemoglobin or iron in the blood, we have anemia. The doctors advise some medicines to give you strength, and also now see you should eat proper diet. See what doctors advise: eat jaggery. Jaggery matlab good. Amla, green leafy vegetables, because all these have iron. You should also take milk. Then Nancy, how can there be iron in your blood? हमारे ब्लड में आयरन कैसे होता है? There was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. So then you ate iron or what? रोजत हंसते बोले, अरे तुमने क्या लोहा खा लिया? तुम्हारे ब्लड में लोहा कम है, तुमने क्या खाया कोई? Silly, that is not the iron used to make the keys. तो ये कीज में जो अगर कीज वगैरह लोहे से बनती वो वाला नहीं है. I don't know exactly what it is, but after I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor said, he said my hemoglobin went up. So all the vegetables are having the iron. Iron, yeah, it is also a nutrient, mineral है, that is found in the green leafy vegetables, amla, jaggery. इसमें वो nutrient है और it is a mineral. Now this is what anemia commonly daily. This is a newspaper cutting. This is of the year 17 November 2007. Now they had conducted test on a municipal corporation school, Delhi में. So this is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Now they are telling that if iron is not there, it affects both physical as well as mental health of the child. मतलब physical body भी और mental health भी दोनों disturb होती है if you are not having the proper diet. Due to anemia, children do not grow well. Their energy level is very low. तो जिनको एनीमिया है उनकी एनर्जी कैसी होती है? वेरी लो होती है. थोड़ा सा दौड़े तो थक जाते हैं, कुछ काम करे तो थक जाते हैं. दिस ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द एबिलिटी टू स्टडी. तो इनका मन भी पढ़ाई में नहीं लगता है. नाउ हेल्थ चेकअप्स आर बीइंग डन इन द स्कूल्स एंड हेल्थ रिकॉर्ड्स आर आल्सो बीइंग. जैसे आपके स्कूल में हेल्थ रिकॉर्ड हमने मेंटेन करते हैं, वैसे हर स्कूल में रिकॉर्ड ऐसे बनाए रखते हैं, सो दैट द चिल्ड्रेन पेरेंट्स would know that what the child is facing or is diagnosed with. एनीवे चिल्ड्रन आर ऑल्सो बीइंग गिवन आयरन टैबलेट. जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स होता है वो लोग क्या देते हैं उनको आयरन के टैबलेट्स भी देते हैं स्कूल में. नाउ दिस इज द रिपोर्ट. जैसे रजत का रिपोर्ट था वैसी आरती का रिपोर्ट है. पहले कैसा था और बाद में कैसा है ये देखो. आरती is 12 years old. She is diagnosed with anemia. This is report of 26. This is report of 59. So here you can see the normal hemoglobin. Normal is 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. It is and उसका कितना है अभी आरती का 8 है. जब उसने खाना अच्छा किया तो क्या हो गया उसका 10.5 हुआ. लेकिन अभी भी कम है. इधर 8 है इधर 10.5. एक महीने के बाद 2-3 महीने बाद उसने किया जब तो 10.5 ही था. सो स्टिल शी इज हैविंग एनीमिया. इसलिए उसको बार बार ब्लड टेस्ट करना पड़ता. पूरा फुल सिरिंज उसको ब्लड चेक कराना पड़ता था पैथोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाके. तो मिनिमम क्या होना चाहिए 12 to 16 ग्राम पर डेसीलीटर. तो आरती का पहले कितना था 8 ग्राम पर डेसीडीएल और बाद में कितना हुआ 10.5. स्टिल शी इज हैविंग एनीमिया. सो वी शुड टेक enough balanced diet so that you get enough iron और other minerals. जैसे आपको कैल्शियम भी जरूरत है तो कैल्शियम के लिए भी हमको दूध पीना चाहिए, अंडे खाने चाहिए. तो ऐसे all the nutrients are required by body. Next is you can see now this is just great. There is a poster of malaria outside our class. Now this is the poster how we can prevent ourselves from the mosquitoes. Here you can see you can see the water, stagnant water everywhere. जहाँ पे भी stagnant water होगा वहाँ पे मच्छर पैदा होते हैं, जल्दी होते हैं. कलेक्टेड वाटर जहाँ पे भी होगा वहाँ मच्छर फैलने का ज़्यादा स्कोप होता है. नाउ आर यू इनवाइटिंग मॉस्किटो बी अवेयर द स्प्रेड मलेरिया डेंगू चिकनगुनिया. सो दीज आर द डिसीजेस स्प्रेड बाय मलेरिया by mosquito, malaria, dengue, chikungunya. So don't let water collect around you, fill up the pit. So we don't allow water to collect around you. Means आपके घर के आजू जो भी गड्ढे हैं तो ऐसी जगह पे पानी भरने ना दे. कोई टायर्स पड़े हैं या कुछ टूटे बर्तन पड़े बाहर घर के बाहर जिसमें पानी इकट्ठा हो रहा है तो ऑलवेज फिल देम और उसमें से पानी गंदा फेंकना चाहिए. कीप द वाटर पॉट्स कूलर्स एंड टैंक्स क्लीन. दे शुड बी ड्राइड एवरीवेयर. आपके घर में भी पॉट्स होंगे कूलर होंगे तो उनको वंस इन ए वीक यू शुड क्लीन एंड ड्राई. पुट फिश इन द पॉन्ड सो दैट दे ईट द मॉस्किटो लार्वे. तो मॉस्किटो लार्वे जो पानी में होते हैं उनको खाने के लिए यू कैन पुट फिश इन द पॉन्ड्स. यूज मॉस्किटो. जब आप सोते हैं यूज मॉस्किटो नेट्स. स्प्रे ऑयल इफ वाटर हैज कलेक्टेड एट सम प्लेस. अगर जहाँ पे पानी आप ठीक साफ नहीं कर सकते पिट्स को फिल नहीं कर सकते सो यू कैन स्प्रे केरोसिन ऑयल. तो सो वी हैव स्टडीड इन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स वाटर that oil and water when mixed what happens oil forms the upper layer. So जब layer पानी के ऊपर oil की रहेगी so the mosquito won't able to lay eggs in the water. So remember these all 5 points how we can prevent or take precautions to avoid malaria. Now see these are the mosquito larvae. You can see here mosquito larvae. So larvae seen through hand lens. Through lens you can see like this. स्क्रू जैसा होता है उसके जैसा दिख रहा है आपको है ना. आपके घर में स्क्रू होगा. ओके सो where did you see them? There was a old pot lying behind a house. एक old pot में Nancy saw that many tiny thread like gray things swimming. I was surprised when mummy told me that these had come out of the eggs of mosquitoes. So these tiny things are the larvae of the mosquito. So Rajat, what did you? Nancy said, Papa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried up pot. So तो उसके पापा ने जो भी पानी जमा था उसको पॉट से फेंक दिया और उसको ड्राई कर दिया. साजिया आंटी टोल्ड मी दैट इवन फ्लाई स्प्रेड डिसीजेस. सो रिमेंबर इंक्लूडिंग जो आपके घर में मक्खियाँ आती है दे आल्सो स्प्रेड डिसीजेस लाइक दिस इज स्पेशली स्टोमक. जो भी पेट की बीमारी होती है अधिकतर किससे होती है फ्लाई से होती है. डायरिया, डिसेंट्री. So diarrhea and dysentery. So these all are spread by flies. But flies don't bite. They, how do they spread diseases? तो अभी रजत बोला अरे लेकिन मक्खी तो हमको काटती नहीं, वो कैसे डिसीज स्प्रेड करती है? तो रिमेम्बर, जहाँ पे भी गंदा होगा, चीज़ें होगी, तो मक्खी का आपने देखा हो कहीं पे बैठ जाती है, तो उसके जो लेग्स होते हैं उसमें गंदा चीज़ें लग जाती है, उसमें जम्स लग जाते हैं. सो ये उड़ते उड़ते आपके घर पे आती है, खाने में बैठ जाती है. दिस इज हाउ द जर्म्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड कम्स टू योर होम. एंड घर में भी कहाँ पर, आपके घर फूड में आप वेजिटेबल्स रखे उस पर बैठ जाती है. सो ये हमारे पेट में चली जाती है. सो इट कॉजेस डिसीजेस. Now you can see one more thing. You can see here. We found something green around the taps in our house. Now this is a survey done by the two groups of children of the class. उन्होंने क्या देखा, उनके उस स्कूल में जहाँ पानी है वहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर का एक चीज़ था, उसको बोलते algae. It was also slippery. The algae spreads a lot during the rainy season. We think that they are also some kinds of plant that grow in water. There is a pond near the school. At first you cannot see the water in the pond. It is completely covered with plants. Now see, ये क्या है? Algae. कहीं पे भी अपने पानी रुका बहुत दिनों तक, सालों तक रहेगा तो उसकी ग्रीनिश कवर होती है. That is algae. Around the pond there are pits full of water. We also saw some larvae in the water. As we moved around, lots of mosquitoes flew from the plants growing around. Jaspreet feels that there are many mosquitoes in her house because of the dirty pond nearby. So निमम जहाँ पे भी पानी जमा होता है, किसी जैसे आपका फ्लैट जहाँ रहते हैं या घर जहाँ है वहाँ पे आसपास में कहीं पर छोटा सा पॉन्ड है, झील है, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारी मच्छर होते हैं. Now this is the scientist Ronald Ross. This is an interesting incident about him. We will read this. This interesting incident took place almost 100 years ago. 100 years ago की बात है. That mosquitoes, ये इन्होंने क्या किया, रोनाल्ड रॉस ने, he found that mosquitoes spread malaria. How? अभी हम पढ़ते हैं कैसे. My father, now he has written this everything. My father was a general in the Indian Army. Ronald Ross, his father was in Indian Army. I studied to become a doctor, but what I really like was reading stories, writing poetry, music, drama. In my free time, I enjoyed doing. So उसको क्या अच्छा लगता था, और स्टोरीज पढ़ना, लिखना, ये सब अच्छा लगता था. In those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease that we all know, malaria. उस टाइम में हजारों लोग उसके कारण मर जाते थे, जिसको हम अभी मलेरिया में बोलते हैं. The disease was found in the areas where there was a lot of rain, swampy places, और जहाँ पानी रुका होता था, बहुत दलदली जगह थी. पीपल थॉट दैट द इलनेस वाज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू सम पॉइजनस गैस. तो उनको क्या लगता था, ये जहाँ गंदी सड़ा हुआ दलदल जैसा जहाँ पानी रुका है वहाँ से कोई गैस निकलती होगी, जिससे ये लोग, बहुत सारे लोग मर जाते. और इसलिए उन्होंने उसको नाम दिया मलेरिया. मलेरिया का मतलब होता है बैड एयर, गंदी हवा. क्योंकि उधर उस टाइम लोगों को पता नहीं था कि मच्छर से ये बीमारी फैलती है. So one doctor had seen tiny germs in the blood of one of the patient when he observed it under microscope, but he could not understand how these had got into the patient blood. एक बार एक डॉक्टर ने देखा कि उनका ब्लड देखा तो he saw some black tiny germs in the blood, but उनको पता नहीं चला. My professor had some ideas about it. I think that this may be carried by some kind of mosquito. As a student, I spent all time chasing mosquitoes to catch and observe. So he started experimenting. हाँ शायद मच्छर से होता है, तो I will find how it is spread. So he started chasing the mosquitoes. तो mosquitoes पकड़ना, उनको बॉटल में भर के लेके आना, फिर उस पर टेस्ट करना. So what he used to do, there would put the mosquito into mosquito net in which there was a patient of malaria. The mosquitoes would have a feast biting these patients. The patients were paid 1 आना फॉर अलाउइंग वन मॉस्किटो टू बाइट दम. तो वो लोग मच्छर पकड़ के क्या करते थे, जिसको मलेरिया है उस आदमी के नेट, मॉस्किटो नेट में वो मच्छर छोड़ देते, और उनको मच्छर काटने के लिए मच्छर काट ले तो उनको 1 आना मिलता था. एक बार एक मच्छर ने काटा तो 1 आना. I will always remember those days at the hospital in Secunderabad, how we used to cut open the mosquito's stomach and peep into it. I would spend hours on hours bent over the microscope, but night my neck would be stiff and my eyes could not see clearly. It used to be very hot, but we dared not fan ourselves as all the mosquitoes would fly off in the breeze once I fell ill with malaria. तो इस पे मस्किटोज का टेस्ट करते करते उनका पेट फाड़ के चेक करने में once he also got with malaria. I spent months like this with microscope but could not find anything. One day we caught few mosquitoes that looked different. तो एक दिन उन्होंने मच्छर ऐसे ही कुछ मच्छर पकड़े जो थोड़े अलग दिखते थे. वो ब्राउनिश थे, उन पे स्पॉटेड दाग थे, उनके स्पॉट थे वाइट ब्लैक वैसे. When I looked into the stomach one of the female mosquito, I saw something black there. तो वहाँ पे कुछ ब्लैक दिखा. तो आई लुक क्लोजर. आई सॉ दिस that these tiny germs look just like the ones that were found in the blood of malaria patients. As at last we had proof mosquito did spread malaria. तो इस तरह से उनको पता चला. एक दिन उन्होंने ऐसे मच्छर पकड़े जिसपे स्पॉट्स थे और इसमें भी कुछ जो स्पॉट्स मॉस्किटोज थे उनमें से भी कुछ मॉस्किटोज के बॉडी में उनको ब्लैक स्पॉट्स दिखे और वो मॉस्किटोज किसमें थे, वो फीमेल मॉस्किटोज में थे. सो ही at last he was having the proof that mosquito did spread malaria. So in December 1902 Ronald Ross got the highest award for his discovery, the Nobel Prize. तो इसी के लिए उनको 1902 में नोबेल प्राइज मिला. In 1905 even as he lay dying Ross last word were I will find something, I will find. तो मरते टाइम भी उन्होंने बोला कि I will find something new. So we should keep up this spirit. ऐसी स्पिरिट होनी चाहिए, जिद्द होनी चाहिए कि हमें भी ऐसे कुछ करना है. कौसी कितना उसको इवन दो ही वॉज हैविंग ही गॉट विथ मलेरिया फिर भी वो काम करता गया था. एट लास्ट ही वॉज एबल टू फाइंड दैट मॉस्किटो स्प्रेड मलेरिया. सो चिल्ड्रेन कीप अप योर स्पिरिट. और जो करना है ध्यान से करो, पूरा मन लगा के करो. सो दिस इज अबाउट द चैप्टर. आफ्टर दिस वी विल do the question answer. Thank you.